Hey guys, welcome to our Module 2 overview video. In this module, we will be defining the health problem and writing your rationale or discussing how to write your rationale. So for an overview, creating a program rationale to gain the support of decision makers is an important initial step in program planning. You have to have buy-in from your decision makers in order to sell your program idea. The rationale must show how the benefits of the program align with the values of the decision makers. In this module, you will learn the components of a program rationale, and you will begin to develop the rationale for your own program. Here we have our objectives listed for you. These are the things that you should be able to do or you will complete by the end of this module. Remember that you are required to watch the Module 2 overview video. You are going to read Chapter 2, that's what this module is over. Review the link here for Module 2 lecture content. There's 2 videos within that link. It's me lecturing over the content, super important for you to review. And then down here we have, I'm going to skip over that assignment real quick, just to show you our source writing and formatting resources down here. These will be extremely helpful as you move forward and you complete the assignment for this week. So moving on to the next one, we're going to conduct a literature search. This is going to help you to be able to describe and define your health problem. This will help identify the prevalence of the problem, so on the national level, the state level, and the local levels. This will help identify the financial cost of your health problem, identifying characteristics of your priority population, and remember you've already been assigned your health problem and your priority population. So you're not choosing those, you're just reviewing the literature around your assigned topic areas. Identifying any contributing behaviors, and identifying 2 to 3 other programs that have been used in the past. So here you'll see your health problem assignment. It's going to be due on August 30th at midnight. And again, in this assignment, you'll be identifying and describing your health problem that your program will be addressing. To complete this assignment, please download and fill this information into the program rationale template. Just like you did for that pre-planning portion of your rationale, you will click on the template or that you've already downloaded. You can fill in those blanks, and then you will submit it to the Dropbox. The areas that will be graded for this assignment will be your health problem, and for each of these you need to write 4 to 6 sentences, so a paragraph for each. A paragraph on the health problem. Begin with an introductory paragraph that describes your health problem in detail. Remember to define the health issue and describe any risk factors. Be sure that you have your in-text citations. Okay, you have to have in-text citations as well as have them list on your reference list. The prevalence. Give the prevalence of the problem for both national to local levels. Be sure to include those in-text citations with these as well. Give the costs of your health problem. This then address the social and emotional costs of your problem as well. Again, remember to include your citations. And then contributing behaviors. Remember, this is a behavior change program. Identify behaviors that contribute to the problem and emphasize the behavior you plan to intervene on. And again, include those in-text citations here. So just remember, this is due on August 30th at 11:59 p.m. After you've completed all of these, you can also complete your Module 2 quiz that is listed here, also due on August 30th at 11:59 p.m. So be sure to complete all of these for Module 2. As you go through, guys, please email me with any questions or comments that you have, and I'll be happy to answer them.